How do you create a competitive advantage? And to me the answer is develop a specific edge. What is that specific edge? What is that pyramid? If you take a look at one of the leading products, Procter & Gamble, brilliant marketers, okay? You know what Crest's specific edge is? I'll share with you. Removes surface stains, freshens breath, and fights cavities. And I know so many of you, thank you, are looking at me that, boy, Mike's a marketing guru. How did he figure that one out? I read the label. Right on there. But that's what differentiates Crest from all the other toothpastes. So what's your specific edge? Let me suggest 3 things. 1, identify an ideal target. Don't spread your net wide. What would be the ideal target? The second thing is, what's the benefit or value that you or your company can provide to that ideal target? And the third thing is, what are the objective proof points? Facts. Let me dig a little bit deeper and show you some ideas. When I say the targets, maybe it's the demographics or the life stage, the income, the affinity groups they're in. The problem or issue, in many cases, is the frequency of use. So the more you can define those ideal targets, the better. When I talk about targets, people get all excited about it because they think I'm eliminating anything. They feel confined. They want to go after everything. That's an ineffective strategy for marketing. Dig where the ground is the softest. See where your business is currently coming from, or see where your points of expectation are. It's about focus. It's not about eliminating. It's saying we're going to focus on this one pocket. It doesn't say we're not going to focus on the others, but if we only had $10 to spend, we're going to spend it going after this group of individuals. And finally, and maybe the most important, you never want to play on a level playing field. I know that's counterintuitive. You want to play on a playing field where you believe you have an advantage. Because if you don't have the advantage, somebody else does. All right? And so that's how you define targeting. Okay? Now, once you understand that target, think about what your specific edge would be. What are the 3 facts? Maybe it's experience, specialization. Maybe it's thought leadership that your organization provides, a unique product. It's the customer service that you provide. It's the availability. It's technology. Maybe it's the professional training. There's all kinds of things that will help you make up those facts. All right? The last thing I'd encourage you is they have to be facts, not claims. If I opened up a pizza place in Atlanta and I said, we have the best pizza, fact or claim? Claim. If I opened up a pizza place in Atlanta and the Atlanta magazine rated it as the top pizza place in Atlanta, fact or claim? It's a fact, because I didn't say it, okay? A claim anybody can say. The difference is, to your audience, it's trust me, I know what I'm talking about. No, you don't. I don't even know you. Of course you said that. Or is it, let me give you some facts and you can self-discover. So make sure each one of the 3 of these are facts, not claims, that allows your audience to self-discover.